Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm back at Olympic Park for Olympic Park part number 3. Now departing on platform number 3 for a Lidcombe only service. We have K87. Should be stopping at Lidcombe only. Anyway viewers, we are expecting a S-set in this episode today, despite there is only a small handful of S-sets left in service to serve out their final few months. So the S-set that we'll see in this episode is S145. You may recognise S145 in my recent Tilapia episode. And Paul's Train Vlogs has gone past 2,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs yet, please hit that subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, right next to the subscribe tab, to receive updates about my latest releases. And we'll see S145 pulling into platform number 3 next. And we should have S145 arriving into platform number 3 for a Lidcombe only service. It'll stop at Lidcombe only. So I get a good thumbnail photo of S145. And S145 is now departing platform number 3, Lidcombe service. It will stop next at Lidcombe only. We have a Waratah Series 1 arriving on platforms 3 and 4. This is a charter service. In reverse, A67 is the set. And we should have S145 returning to platform number 3 for a Lidcombe service. It will stop at Lidcombe only. And anyway viewers, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, one next to the subscribe tab, to receive updates about my latest releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.